how I achieved this gorgeous look, including the hair install, makeup, and fits. Make sure you guys keep watching. Make sure you check out DSOAR Hair. I want to thank them so much for this lovely, gorgeous vacation hair. Like, this hair is just screaming, like, beautiful. Like, y'all, it's beautiful. So make sure you guys head over to DSOAR Hair and check them out now. Hope you enjoyed the video.
I bet I catch it all before I catch a cold. You gotta quit putting your trust in niggas, break them choppers out, and you gotta get patted down before you reach the chopper house. And I've been on some new shit, you ain't gotta check my old. Me got a couple hoes, but right now it's just you and me. Got me fucking with you when we both know I shouldn't be. We don't post each other, but we both know that it's the. She don't wanna be seen with no nigga as pretty as me. I rearrange her, she keep it simple, she's still pretty with no makeup.
But this is my old cap from my previous install, so I'm gonna just cut the used part off that's rolled up and reapply with my Ghost Bond. Says 28. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, that's not laying down. I'm trying to see, do I want to do this video as like a little get ready with me chit chat video? I could do that just to I look crazy right now, but then you're gonna apply it like right. Ooh, this is a little tight, child. You're gonna apply it. I was in here jamming, listening to my song. You still want forehead space, so try not to go too low, because you still want the forehead space, you know? I feel like that's good enough forehead space. It's a little tight, man. Okay. Yeah, so going in with my hot comb, and I'm just straightening the baby hairs out, because this is curly hair. And now I'm gonna just go in with my hot combs and straighten the hair. Hot. Wet hair and hot combing is not a good mix, because that heat seeps straight through. Okay. I'm gonna do this thing. Put this hot comb here. So now I'm gonna go in with my scissors. And I'm just gonna cut the baby hair. This is way too thick right here. So I'm just gonna like take some of that and put it back into the hair. Okay, my favorite part, guys, is my favorite part is doing the baby hairs. It's the most stressing part ever, but I always do my baby hairs wrong. Okay, so you flip upwards. I noticed a lot of girls doing that, flipping upwards. But yeah, this is the most stressful part, but it's the most relaxing. Like, I feel like, you know, It's very relaxing. Even though I look crazy with these eyebrows, and this is obviously too thick. These baby hairs are really thick, so like way too thick. I'm just gonna, you know, adjust it when I get done. So for the baby hairs, you would need your got-to-be spray and your edge control brush. Also, this is still too thick for me, so I'm just gonna push that back. You don't want no super thick baby. So, yeah, a lot of times people be doing the baby hairs wrong. And it took me a long time. It's like I still learn how to do my baby hairs. Like, you're not gonna get your baby hairs all, you know, off the first try. But now you guys see why I didn't want to do my eyebrows yet, because the baby hair is gonna be all on them eyebrows until you get it right. Until you get it right, child. Like, I just feel like this is just so thick. I love it. Guys, this is the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Make sure you guys check out DSOAR Hair. I absolutely love this install. It took me by surprise, honestly. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Just everything, down to the makeup, to the fits. It's just giving real classy. So this hair is so cute. Yeah, it just looks so like, it just looks so good. Like, this hair is just gorgeous. So make sure you guys check this company out. All the links will be in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me.